Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Restic for secure backups on VPS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a VPS up and running with a compatible operating system. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Once logged in, update your package list to ensure you have the latest information. Install Restic by using the package manager appropriate for your operating system. For Debian or Ubuntu, you may run sudo apt install Restic. For CentOS or RHEL, you can use sudo yum install Restic. Confirm the installation by typing Restic version in the terminal. Next, set up a backup repository. Choose a secure location for your repository, either locally or on a remote server. If using a local directory, create a folder, for example, dir/backups. To initialize the repository, run restic init repo/backups. For remote repositories, you might use a cloud service or another server. In that case, set up an environment variable for the repository path. An example for an S3 compatible service could look like this: export restic_repository equals s3.amazon.aws.com/bucket name. Set your access credentials in the environment as well. For S3, run export restic_access_key_id equals your _access_key and export restic_secret_access_key equals your _secret_key. To initialize the remote repository, run restic init. After initialization, you need to set a password for your repository. Run export restic_password equals your _secure_password. You can now create your first backup. Select the files or directories you wish to back up. Use the command restic backup path /to/ your /files. Monitor the output for any errors or confirmations. Once the backup is complete, you can check the status by running Restic snapshots. For further security, consider setting up a cron job for automated backups. Edit the crontab file by running crontab e. Add an entry such as 02***/usr/bin/restic backup/backup/var/log/restic_backup.log 2-in-1. Save and exit the crontab editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.